Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by using a compatible USB 3.0 drive and plugging it into a rear USB port. Make sure external power is connected if the drive needs it. Once connected, you should hear the drive spin, and the console will detect it. You must understand why. Only the proprietary expansion card runs series-optimized titles, while a USB drive stores backward-compatible and Xbox One games. So, prepare the drive now and move to the console's storage settings. You go to Settings, System, Storage, then select the newly connected drive. The console will propose formatting. Choose Format for games and apps so the Xbox can install and run compatible titles from that drive. Once formatted, give the drive a clear name so you can recognize it, and make it the default install location if you want new games to go there automatically. Make sure to confirm the format. This erases the drive. After formatting, you can begin moving or installing games onto it. You finish by moving titles. Open My Games and Apps, pick a game, choose Manage Game and Add-ons, then move or copy to the external drive. This frees internal space instantly. Remember why. Series-optimized games must remain on the internal SSD or a licensed expansion card for peak performance, so keep those there. If the drive isn't recognized, first reformat on the console, try another USB port, check the power cable, or test the drive on a PC to rule out hardware faults. This usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.